Welcome to Pro News Flash. Crypto takes a breath after a leap forward late last week. Let's dive into the latest developments. The crypto market is losing about 1%, charting a downward trend after soaring in the second half of April and plateauing at the very end of the month. With a market capitalization of $2.94 trillion, the cryptocurrency market is just over 1% below the levels of a week ago. Among the top coins over the past 7 days, anonymous Monero and zCash remain in the lead, in positive territory, after surging due to a hacker theft last week, which reminds us of the advantages of this type of coin. Bitcoin, on the other hand, echoes the general mood of U.S. stock indices, letting off steam in recent days following a surge in the second half of April. This timely cooldown after reaching overbought levels could be a healthy pause, paving the way for further gains. XRP missed out on much of the cryptocurrency rally in late April, and it never managed to break away from its 250-day moving averages. At 2.09, XRP is trading through the important support of recent months, forcing us to keep a close eye on the direction of the breakout, as it would open the way for a 50% change from the current price. That's a huge potential. According to CoinShares, global crypto fund investments rose by a significant $2.029 billion last week, after inflows of $3.423 billion, with Bitcoin investments up $1.840 billion, Ethereum up $149 million, XRP up $11 million, Tezos up $8 million, and Solana up $6 million. Ethereum may see jump in volatility following the FxPro hard fork on May 7th. Bollinger Bands and the ETH-BTC pair have narrowed sharply in the run-up to the hard fork. CoinDesk analyst Omkar Godbole notes that the upcoming trend depends largely on the direction of the breakout. 88% of BTC supply remains in profit, with losses concentrated among buyers in the $95,000 to $100,000 range. The figure also bounced from its long-term average, indicating a broad reset of investor expectations without a large-scale capitulation, Glassnode noted. Strategy reported an additional 1,895 Bitcoin, $180.3 million worth, in purchases last week at an average price of $95,167 per coin. The company owns 555,450 Bitcoin, which were bought at an average price of $68,550. The total investment is valued at $38.08 billion. Stay tuned to Pro News Flash for more updates on the crypto market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.